I now have that saved selection, so I'm going to go ahead and close out the lake file and go back to my dune file. I see my lake is a little, has some rough edges. I can clean those up. Let's go ahead and clean those up using one of two methods. First, I'm going to open up the panels again. I'm going to go over to the layer panel. And to make this easier, I'm going to just turn off the dune and the duck. That way I can easily work with the lake and make additional changes here. I see that the lake is against a transparent background. This will make it easier in working. I know it's transparent because of the white and gray checkerboard. One way I can clean up the background of the lake and just make the edges smoother is again using the eraser tool. I can choose the brush size I want. This one's too small. I'm going to go back, change the diameter. The other thing I want to change in this particular one is the hardness. I want a soft airbrush sort of effect. I could also do it down here if I just wanted like a 65 soft airbrush. I then am just going to click with my mouse, holding down the mouse button, and go around the edge of the lake. I can go over it several times and really soften up the edge. I can still see sort of a line. I let up on my mouse. Let's see if that works. I'm going to go back over to my panels and turn on my layers that I turned off previously. Ducky and the background. Before I close my layers panel, I'm going to go back to the layer I just added previously and cleaned up, called the lake layer. You softly click it until you get the name layer to be active. Go ahead and rename the layer what you want it to be. I'm going to call mine lake. And then I'm going to click to the side of it so it accepts the change.